Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's going to revolutionize urban travel, passenger drones. According to research by Next Move Strategy Consulting, the passenger drone market is predicted to reach USD 3,548 million by 2030, with a CAGR of 31%. Now, why is this happening? The demand for passenger drones is skyrocketing due to the need for efficient and sustainable transportation, especially in our growing urban areas. Passenger drones could be the answer to reducing traffic congestion. Imagine skipping the gridlock and flying directly to your destination, but it's not all smooth sailing. Currently, passenger drones have limited payload capacity, and there are safety concerns in bad weather. These factors are holding back the market's growth. On the flip side, the future looks bright. Autonomous passenger drones are in development, and with the integration of 5G and IoT technologies, these drones could navigate and fly without a human pilot. This technological leap is expected to create huge opportunities in the coming years. North America is leading the charge in this market and is expected to maintain its dominance. Environmental concerns, especially carbon emissions from fossil fuels, are a big driver. Passenger drones, being electric and emitting zero carbon, present an eco-friendly alternative. Major players like Airbus, Boeing and Joby Aviation are all in the game, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, with companies like Volocopter and SkyDrive also joining the fray. The competition's heating up. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest insights across various industry sectors. Catch you in the next one.